All right, YouTubes. We're gonna test out. I got the GoPro Max 2 going, the 360 camera, so you guys could be inside the van with me while we're driving to jobs. And it's a Sunday morning, and I didn't have a video out because this morning because the water pump had went out in the van, so I really didn't do a lot of work last week. Although my mechanic did a quick turnaround and got it all fixed up for me really fast. But I had to wait for my appointment day, my day to get in there. And so this is gonna be the video. Hopefully I'll get it out this afternoon. Hopefully it'll be Sunday afternoon. But what I was gonna talk about was, so I got a customer that's got a little true reach in. I do a little gas and go on it for him. He needs to get a coil, right? And then the downside to that for us as mechanics is they're gonna call you on weird times and weird days because they're used to you getting their unit going for them, because they haven't pulled the trigger on spending the money for a new evaporator coil. And in their mind, they think they're getting ahead because they're not spending $1,300 or whatever it is to replace the coil. They're just giving you, you know, a couple $100 each time you come and gas and go it, when they're really falling way behind the schedule. And then the inconvenience for us is they're always calling us at weird times. Check it out, here's the homeless guy. See, I can talk to you and see the homeless guy messing with the furniture right here. Awesome. So, yeah, then you get inconvenienced because you're going out there at weird times to charge the unit up for them because you want to help them out. But in the long run, they're wasting money. And I was just going to chat about that for a minute. I really didn't have a whole lot of I really don't have a whole lot going on. I do got in the box down here, I got a door closer I need to install for a customer and some other stuff. I got some big jobs going on at the day job though. Big stuff, big guy stuff. Back. That's what my old co-worker, the super tech, used to tell me. Big guy stuff. I'm doing big guy stuff. So we'll see how this video edits. It's kind of a long clip for 360 right here, so it's probably going to eat up a ton of my phone. But we'll check it out. It's a short drive up here to the job site. Oh, I got to reset my clock too, because it was clocked. Set your clock back an hour a day last night. But my clock's an hour off. I'll fix that real quick too. And God, the weather's just perfect. Well, he might even already be here. This might be a quick one. We'll see. Yeah, he's here. Sweet. My guy is here. I'm gonna go in here and do this. Put some knee pads on. I'll bring you guys along the back 360 mode to check out Mr. Tippins. Well, let's get in here and scope it out. All right, let's see what this is like. Checking out old Mr. Tippins in 360. So you can see the van. You could spin around, see me. Look, there he is, face down. Face down in the dirt. Oh, Tippo, brother. How could you? Oh, and you got the soap bubbles. You got the soap bubbles to follow along with you, all tipped over. Put these back here where they live. You're a bad influence, Mr. Tippins. Oh yeah, you're hanging out with the dirty gloves. Some chopped up wire. Look at yourself. All right, we'll get some knee pros on. I'll see if the battery's still alive in these things. I think I charged them up. Let's see what it's showing. If I charged them up, it would have been like last week. Let's see how many bars we got on the battery. Yeah, it's showing full battery. All right, we'll see.
I can feel it.
Oh yeah.
I can feel it like, man. I don't like that stuff, you know. Oh, I was. They have it, you know, they have it there.
Yeah, the Dodgers won that game fair and square, dude. The Blue Jays base running was crap.
Yeah.
Their base running awareness. They should have won that thing, but they didn't. Now it's going to be a sea of blue at the Giants Stadium when we play the Dodgers. Ugh, I think I'll barf. The Niners, yeah, they're doing good. 5-3. We got the Giants at 10 o'clock. I want to see that Giants quarterback, this new kid. I want to see what he's all about. We'll find out today, huh?
Yeah.
We got Mac Jones because Brock Purdy got a hurt toe. $50 million toe, bro. That's what I'm saying. Might do it right there. It's gonna squirt of Titus. Bring her back. When do you want to get a coil for this fridge, dude, and fix it for good? You want to spend the big bucks?
Huh?
You want to spend the money and put a coil in this, or no?
Well, I mean,
Maybe not right now. Money's tight.
well, just more than $5,000. It's already,
That's what you paid for this thing?
No, I mean,
Oh, you already spent money on the other ones.
big one, the big one, and it.
How long is
it's
the?
cool.
How
It's like-
yeah, you had to buy 2 new
Jeez,
fridges.
like-
How long is the charge last in this one? You think?
Oh yeah, like
Long time?
Yeah,
Okay.
like 6 months.
Okay.
Yeah, no, I mean, jeez.
We can approach it in summertime. We'll talk about
Yeah.
the part. It's the coil in there that leaks.
So much.
I don't know, man. We'll I'll get you
Text
another
me.
price.
Text me.
I'll text you.
Yeah.
I'll call the guys.
Yeah, I mean, right now, oh, it's like, hey,
I know money's
it's not
tight.
new in the freezer.
Yeah.
Bro, all my money's there. You know what I mean?
All right, look, we'll get you guys in the van. Look, with the 360, the 360 van tour. We can go like that. 360 van tour. There it is. All right. Go make a quick tag after hearing Dodger talk. Now I'm gonna have to hear it for a year. Felipe's gonna be rubbing it in. Ugh, it's all right. The Giants had their run, so at least I got to see the Giants win 3 World Series, so that was cool. That was a hell of a game, though. That was a hell of a game. It sure was. Yeah, let's find a printer. All right, just a quick update of what was going on. Not really much of a refrigeration video. We'll get on it. I'll get on the program. Wanted to try out the camera so you guys can check out some 360 stuff. And like, subscribe. See you on the next one. Leave a comment. Let's have a chat in the comments. And I try to get on the live streams at Fridays at 5 p.m. Pacific, unless I'm working or busy. I didn't do one this Friday because it was Halloween. So, but we'll try and get on the program. And you guys rock and roll. Catch you later.